Hello! How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? Very good! Today I do a tutorial of share a solution of resolve a Rubik's Cube 333 with the Friedrich method of 5 or 4 seconds. Yes, it's possible, yes. Look this, my friend. Take a chronometer. This. Okay. Okay.
10 secondes.
So, this chronometer. And take a cube, a Rubik's cube. This. No, not this. This. And create a scramble. So compare it to compensation. Beam. 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 But stop. Okay. 2 seconds. And in this time, resolve your Rubik's Cube. He's very happy now. Up. You take you do you parallel and etc. The Friedrich method s'appelle flee. Oh no, it's resolve. Look this, my friend. And passage. My cube is in your view jashing. So and stop. Wow. I have again do a world record in Rubik's Cube. World record Rubik's Cube single free. Look this. Free 83. I have the world record. Look this, my friend. I have resolved the Rubik's Cube 333 with Friedrich method in a try 333.